Today's airgunning video is brought to you from the studio of Papa T Adventures. We hope you enjoy.
Alright, good morning family. Welcome back to Papa T Adventures. It's time to answer what's in the box. Excited about this one. Had it on pre-order since February. And they're finally in stock. What's in the box? What could it be? Make sure there's no other surprises in here. Sorry about the paper noise. Alright, we're clear. Well, we can see it's from Air Venturi. Spin it around. And you can see it is Air Venturi's new Ascent. So it is a PCP with built-in pump. So we're going to call it a pump gun. It is part of our Year of the Pumper. This will be our July Year of the Pumper gun. Caliber changes. So I do have those already. This is the 25 cal version. Comes with 2 magazines and a scope with mounts. Do you see? It says up to 20 full shots before you recharge with the built-in pump. My intention is to pump after every shot. After all, it is a multi-pump gun for us. Talks about 1100 feet per second, 22 cal lead pellets. I don't know why it's talking about 22 cal, because I got this in 25. So I sure hope we got a 25 in here. Target shooting, pest control, and hunting. Read some of the specifications off the back before we open up. So 1150, 1150 feet per second and 177, 1100 feet per second and 22, 900 feet per second and 25, 31 foot-pounds of energy, it says in 177, 38 foot-pounds of energy in 22, and a whopping 50 foot-pounds of energy in 25. 250 bar or 3625 psi. 10 round magazine for 177 and 22, and it's an 8 round magazine in 25 cal. Is a side lever with 2-stage adjustable trigger. So I think that's enough. Let's go ahead and open it up, shall we? All right, good news. There's a mark that says it's 25 cal. I guess you guys could see that while I was looking. Nope. I guess that was the side that was down. That was the side that was down. Oh. I do like this box. Nice and big. Hopefully that means the gun's well protected in here. Alright. So we got our product registration, instruction manual, with some color at least. Let's look. Yeah, mostly black and white inside. That's alright. Parts, diagram, how to operate the safety, how to fill with the built-in pump, how to fill with air, how to depressurize the rifle, single pellet tray, rotary magazine, inserting the magazine. There is a lock and release for the pump handle so it doesn't just swing around, and how to adjust the hammer spring. Before we get to shooting, we'll read all of this stuff. Maintenance, 1-year warranty. Again, we'll look at that more as we get there. 25 cal, PCP O-ring, so spare parts package. Nice inclusion. Another spare parts package. Got 1 magazine, 2 magazine, They'll say 25 cal, like they should. Go ahead and pull. This should be our scope with rings. Pull out our 250th anniversary knife. Look at that. And go ahead and cut. Open this up. Take a gander. I suspect this will look just like the one that came with the Omnistorm that maybe one day we'll get back. So it's just the scope. Maybe the rings are installed on it. Let's go ahead and open this up and take a look. As we go through. Yep, rings already installed. So no name, 4x32 generic scope. This is just like what came with the Omnistorm. What we currently have mounted up on our Sheridan. We may put this on the rifle initially, but I got other plans. All right, I think it's time to pull out what we're all here to see. Oh, there is a wrench here taped in. Gonna assume that's my fill probe. It's hanging out down there. Got some oil and a little. I like that. That's classy. That's a nice step up. I don't see anything else in here. So we're going to set the boxes down out of the way here. And let's look at our rifle. Hopefully I'm keeping this in frame for you guys. If not, I'm sorry. All right. Oh, there we go. Pressure gauge. It's showing there's some pressure in there. Looks like it's sitting around 11 or 1200 PSI. So the top is PSI and the bottom red numbers are bar. So it looks like it's right around 100 bar, just under. We'll find out. Maybe the gauge is just off. Single shot tray labeled with 25. Already loaded in there is a Picatinny. Safety. There's that lock for the pump handle. And let's just take one pump, shall we? There we go. Looks like we're all the way to 100 bar now. Just that one pump. Fill ports here. Got a little cover. That piece would go in there. Does have your max fill pressure written here. Not a fill port. Nice of them to label. I didn't expect it to be open on this end. Take a look from the side. We'll read more to find out. It's got a nice heft. Get down here so you guys can see as I hold it. It does not come with iron sights. So you're going to have to mount an optic. It does come with an option. Again, I got plans for it. I'm going to swap it too. It does have spots so you can hook a sling. So far, so good. Rubber buttstock, a rubber pad back here for the shoulder. Help keep you nice and gripped. And it does say multi-caliber over here. Again, I do have the 177 and 22 cal swap kits, and we will, in the course of our testing, test that out. Let me know what you think, family. Can we count this in our year of the pumper? Anyway, we'll catch you next time. God bless. Take care.